straight balling, no stalling. What's up, traders and tradeths? Y'all know it's dreycosting. All right, so I'm just here to hold a vibe on the week of Gbpusd, and we're able to catch some nice pips, right? Today, Friday, I ended the week with a loss, a very salty one. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. But if you go back to my YouTube video on Sunday, right? So you should go back to that on Sunday so you could see what's popping, right? You're going to realize that, let me go for the replay. We said about here, where the week started about here, yeah. And I said to you guys that this is going to go up for a buy, right? How do we know that? Because we keep seeing price making higher highs and higher lows, right? And we're seeing right here on the daily where price is maintaining on this higher low. So therefore, we know that price was gonna continue up. And it did just that, right? To continue up for the week. So for the week, price, let me tell you what it did in terms of upward movements. Price ran 350 pips roughly for the week, and that's not too bad, right? So what are we looking at? Yeah, let me go down now to at least the H1 so you guys can see what's happening. All right. So the first trade that I took for the week was this right here. Just to start off the week, right? Was on Tuesday. Yeah, they're about on Tuesday. And what I was looking at is simple as this, right? Price shift, retest, create a higher low, confirm the basic of trading for uptrend. I know that I'm going in a bullish movement for the week, so I'm only looking for buys, right? Initially to start the week, based on how the week is set, I'm only looking for buys. I'm not looking for anything else, and I'm just looking to continue up. So right here, I picked up 40 pips, right? And I really shortchanged myself. I was really upset on this Tuesday because I really left a lot of the bag on the table. You see from here, where I entered out to about here, right? Price run for 183 pips, but I'm going to try to fix that in the upcoming weeks. I was thinking swing trade, and the reason why I don't think swing trade is because at the end, coming to the end of the year, I'm kind of more reserved on how aggressive I want to trade. But what you have is that if I go back to the daily, GU came to an all-time low down here at 1.03584, right? It's the all-time low. The last time that GU came here was in 1985. I'll go up to the weekly, you could see much better. It's in 1985. You realize GU have never been down here in a very long time. So the fact that it dropped all the way, come down here, the only other way is to go up. As they say in life, if you fall on your back, all you're doing is just to look up to the sky and just to see what's up. The only way is really up after falling so low, right? So take this chart as a life lesson, if that makes sense. If you're like at a low point in life right now, or your back is against the wall, just know the only way is up, the only way is forward, right? So going back down to the H1, yeah. So after we have this big move right here, we have this shift retest creating a higher low, confirming the basic of trading for uptrend, yeah. And what we did was that we caught here, yeah, for 50 pips, yeah. So this was the second trade of the week, yeah. And you see it, same shift retest higher low, we're just following the basic of trading, right? We've been patient, waiting for price to reach out that optimal level, right? We're not just jumping in the trade all about the place, jumping in when price just move all of that. No, price needs to be at an optimal level for us to enter the trade, right? So bam, we came here, yeah. And why I start selling now, yeah? So notice that we're in a bullish market, but what I'm doing is playing the retracement, right? So if you look at the, how would I say, if you go back to the daily, right? Price just not gonna just move in a fashion like this where it just go boom, no, right? In trading, price acting like waves, right? So it goes bam, retrace, bam, retrace, bam, retrace, creating that higher highs and higher lows, right? So bam right here, it created this higher high. So now it's coming back to create a higher low before it continue up, right? So that is how trading works. So I know that it was at that optimal level where price is going to react a lot, right? So it's an H4 level. So once I came onto the H4 level and I started seeing these rejections right here at the H4 level, then I know it's time for the retracement. So though I'm in an uptrend, I can also make money off the retracement, and that's the beauty about trading Forex, unlike other financial instruments in the financial market. So if I go down to the H1, I'm at that optimal level, right? So all I'm doing now is starting to catch these cells on the retracement. So bam, I caught here, yeah, for 45 pips. That wasn't too bad, a nice 1 to 3 for me. Not looking bad, right? Then now, this is the loss that I picked up this morning that really ticked me off and like totally ticked off. But it is what it is, right? So if you guys have children, you should know what I'm talking about. So I was like up late last night. My little baby boy just didn't went to sleep, right? So when I got up in the regular London session, I entered the trade and I was like totally knocked out. Went to my bed, like totally bummer. Price came half of a pip, like half of a pip to my take profit, right? Half of a pip to my take profit, and then went back up and stopped me out. I was like totally ticked off. But it is what it is. If I was up, I would have just closed the trade right here, but it is what it is. And you know, it just is what it is. But long and short, we had the right direction, right? So we had the right direction. I would know that price is still coming down for the retracement. Yeah. But I want to point out something to you guys, right? I want to point out something to you guys. Right here, when price was like just pushing up, right? So you see, even here, price was trying to push up back, right? I didn't just jump in for a buy because I have to be patient, right? I have to be very patient. So my intention was that unless I see something like this shift, like retest creating a high low, from the basic trading for option, right? Yeah, at this optimal level, then I was not going to look for a continuous bias as yet. You understand? And this being patient, yeah, is spread out against my students. I just really want to take the time out just to show you a student of mine of how she did the same, just sat on her hand and being patient. I just really want to share this. It really was just so beautiful for the week as well. So check this out. So right here, one of my students, Chantel, right? She just been really just been kicking ass, right? So really proud of her. She really is coachable. Once you're coachable, right, then trust me, sky's the limit, right? But some people just do what they want to do, and when they don't see the results, right, they just keep on wondering why this, why that, why that. It's because they're not coachable, right? So you have to be coachable. So what she's saying right here is that she wants to sit and wait for price to shift and retest, creating a higher low at the optimal level to continue up in this free space right here. Notice that she needed to just jump on here when price is moving right here, because price could have came to this resistance, right, and just turn all the way back down. So she's just trying to be patient. Now she's showing on her phone that, oh, our trade entered, she triggered, right, and price is moving up, right? She continues showing onwards where she's moving up to her TP. Notice she's also having her news event, being coachable, paying attention to details of what I'm teaching. The news event video, I just dropped that yesterday. you guys should also check that out. Yeah, very, very good. So as I say, we don't just enter trades like that. We want to enter trade at optimal level. So if you find what you find now is that we're taking like 3 to 4, maximum 5 trades for the week. We're not just taking trades all about the place, all over the place like that. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video on GU, and we look for next week to make much more pips and profits. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.